Now, what if I told you that you can start your own marketing agency in just one day? I'm only 22 years old and now I'm able to make a full-time income on this very model. Now, I know what you may be thinking. You may need to know code. You may need to know how to do all the ins and outs of marketing, but that is just not the case. I actually started this with not much marketing experience at all. All I needed was the tools to be able to pitch it to the businesses and fulfill the service. And the model that I am talking about is website plus SaaS, aka software as a service. So what that means is you are giving businesses an AI smart website, also a software to go ahead and better their business. Now, I started this business model about 2 years ago, and I actually went to college for 1 semester for marketing. I dropped out. I did not like it. It was absolutely terrible. And then I saw a YouTube video about this software called GoHighLevel, which I'll be showing you today. And now this is what I use in my day-to-day business life. So considering the fact that I started about 2 years ago speaks volumes in the fact that you do not need to know marketing. You don't need to know all the ins and outs. You don't need to know code. You don't need to know any of that. And I'm going to show you exactly in this video about how I went from ground zero to where I'm at now and how you can do the exact same thing for the year of 2026. You'll be shocked when talking to business owners and hearing about how much their websites don't convert and how much of a disservice they're actually doing to their business by not bringing in any type of business. And also, you can attach AI to your site where it actually makes it a smart AI website and betters their business. And also, instead of just charging a one-time fee, let's say a few $1,000s, you are actually going to be making monthly recurring revenue from offering your smart AI website to these different businesses. As a matter of fact, all you need to do is just learn 3 things. You need to learn how to adapt and learn a new software. You need to learn to keep things simple, and you also need to be able to talk to people. Now, those 3 things are going to bring you a long way within this journey. Now, one of the most often questions that I get in my school community, which is down below in the link in the description, is completely free to join. But one of the biggest questions that I get is how are websites an entry point whenever talking to these businesses? Now, as mentioned before, a lot of these websites are not converting for these businesses, or they might be dumping money into ads to their website, and a lot of the leads are falling through the cracks and the system is just not optimized. Now, that's where you can step in and fill those cracks on those websites and actually provide them a better service. So if they're running ads to their website, you can add things such as a live AI chatbot to go ahead and capture more leads, optimize their contact form to go ahead and send them text messages and not just emails whenever a lead is submitted, because who's not checking their text messages today? Business owners are getting around 15 emails per day, and so the last thing you want is the 10th email to be a lead, and it's far down their email list. And again, that's where you implement these AI services that can go ahead and take care of all those different things. Now, just to take a deeper dive into the live AI chatbot, what that means is that when someone clicks on the widget, it will actually follow up with that lead and respond right away and ask them essentially what services they're in need of and get them even booked on the customer's calendar, which is a huge thing for these business owners because a lot of these people might be in or out to a job or busy giving a quote or talking to a customer. And so this can go ahead and do all that on autopilot. So let me show you an actual trial bot that we went ahead and created for this video so you can see exactly what I mean and how it's able to nurture these leads as soon as they come through the door. So this is a chatbot that we went ahead and built. And so just want to show you it in live action. This is for a landscaping business. So let's go ahead and say, hey, I am interested in landscaping services. We'll go ahead and say that. Awesome, you're in the right place. We handle everything from sod installation to rock, gravel, and tree services. What kind of landscaping were you thinking about for your space? That is absolutely amazing. You can even give it feedback and give it a thumbs up. So you can see right then and there is able to nurture this lead as it came through the door, and it's already good to go. Now it can even go further, and it can even go as far as booking them in, like I said, or to giving them a phone number to call, or even the business owner can go ahead and take over the conversation from here if you wanted. It's whatever you would like it to be. So this is going to help businesses nurture those leads whenever they come through the door. And again, if they're busy on a quote, if they're en route to a job, they don't have to worry about responding to these inquiries as soon as they come through because the live AI chatbot is going to take care of that. And look, that's just one of the features that you can implement on your AI smart websites to go ahead and make them more advanced. And it's going to be a night and day difference between what they had before because they didn't have a live AI chatbot. They didn't have anything to go ahead and nurture those leads as soon as they came through. So you're already making a difference within these businesses. Now, something about my offer is that we're not just talking about websites here. We're also talking about a software that you get. So the SaaS model is also a big game changer because you're getting monthly recurring revenue, and it's a lot less pressure because it's a system that you set up once and it runs by itself. And you also get predictable income. So a lot of business models like I've done myself, YouTube automation, Amazon FBA, you don't know what your income is going to be for the next month until you actually work for it. Now, also work is going to need to be done in your marketing agency. I'm not saying it's just completely hands off, but you can still get a predictable idea of what your income is going to be for the next month. So the software that I use to go ahead and manage my whole business, and the actual same software that my clients use, I just have it white labeled, is a software called GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one marketing tool that you can use for any needs that you would have as a business owner. I primarily work with home service-based businesses. That's just because I think GoHighLevel, local home service-based businesses have the best use in GoHighLevel because of the booking calendar, the CRM, the social media planner, all these different features that GoHighLevel has to offer. GoHighLevel can definitely do it. And you actually get a 30-day extended free trial if you use my link down below. And so what that means is you get snapshots, you get SOPs to help you out with some cold calling. You also get 2 Zoom calls with me per week. Someone that's experienced in the field and is actually running their agency to this day, you can actually hop on Zoom calls with me. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and use my link down below to go ahead and get started and take over the year of 2026. Now, I primarily want to talk about why you should start this business model in 2026, but just to show you a little bit of the GoHighLevel software, if you're new to seeing it, you can do literally anything in this software. So you get your own mobile app, you can connect your Google My Business page, you can connect your Facebook, you can have a full-on booking calendar system in here, CRM, full-on sales pipeline, payments for invoicing. You can go ahead and connect your social media platforms and use a social media planner. And that's just some of the things, and I'm just scratching the surface with what you can do with this software. Now, I know you may be thinking, why in 2026 is this a unique window for doing this business model? And that is a great question. And what I do have to say is that AI adoption is still early on for small businesses. So small businesses are looking to compete, all right? They're small for a reason. The big companies, the big franchises, they already have it established. And so the small local businesses are just trying to keep up and also fill in the cracks, like I mentioned before, on systems that they already have in place. And so implementing AI is going to help them better their business. As someone famous once said, the best time to build infrastructure is before everyone understands it. So what that means is hopping on the train early and learning these different tools and learning how to offer it to these businesses before more and more people learn it. And that means less money for you. Now, look, between me and you, yes, you are selling websites. Yes, you are selling software. But to these business owners, you're selling reliability, you're selling simplicity, and you're selling peace of mind because they are having to do less and less work as these everyday business operations go along. Now, you may be thinking, how are people able to get their first clients? Now, the way that I have been able to build my agency is primarily by cold calling, and that is by far the best method to me. Now, lately, I've been getting into Facebook ads, which has been very successful for my agency. But if you're just getting started out, I highly recommend cold calling because you're actually talking to these businesses. You're learning their pain points. You're learning exactly what different niches are running into and how you can actually solve it for them. And you're learning their lingo of how these different niches need to operate and how to help them. Now, my next point is why this isn't a burnout agency model. One of the biggest things that I've noticed in my agency is that my monthly recurring revenue has never gone down over the 2 years that I've been running my marketing agency. And so all you're doing with this monthly recurring revenue is just stacking and moving it forward the next month over and over. So you're not billing hours, you're not juggling custom work, you're not doing anything like that. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're putting systems in place that are proven to help businesses and you're charging for it. So you're not hitting burnout, you're getting paid more and more every single month, and it's just a better business model rather than having to restart from zero every single month. Common doubts that people have is, what if I'm not technical? Now look, I understand you may be watching this video, and if you're older, whatever the case is, and you think that you can't learn this software, yada, 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 whatever it is, I deal with older business owners all the time, and they're able to learn the software, they're able to implement it into their business, or at least they're even open to the idea. So I just recommend that if you're looking into this business model, don't be scared. Go ahead and learn a new skill that you can actually make money from rather than just wasting time throughout the day. Go ahead and watch different YouTube tutorials. It's completely free online, and you can go ahead and learn how to monetize this skill and make more money off of it. Now, what if you don't have experience? Don't worry, I didn't either. I didn't have experience going into this. The only experience I had as far as marketing goes was posting on Nextdoor for my landscaping business. Before that, I didn't know much. So the fact that I've been able to come this far and learn all these different, marketing tips and tricks and skills speaks volumes, and it should to you as well. And what if I fail? So again, here's what I like about the GoHighLevel software. You get a 30-day free trial if you use someone's affiliate link. So that means you have 30 days to go ahead and try and close a client. And the base plan is just $97 a month, and that gets you 3 sub accounts. So all you're losing is just $100 a month. I mean, you can cut back on a few fast food trips, and that can go ahead and contribute towards that. Can cut back on a few dinners for the month, and you can go ahead and still pay that $97 a month. And it's just a good asset to have. I actually have someone that was thinking about quitting GoHighLevel, and they actually have their their own business, and they actually wanted me to go ahead and take it over. And I said, well, look, if you just want a website, I'm going to charge you $97 a month anyways. So might as well keep your subscription active and build your own website and learn a skill, and also being able to have the capability to go ahead and talk to other business owners, whether you're just walking through, you see a truck, you just talk to the business owner, you have a family member that just started a business, and now you have the potential to be able to serve them. What your first 90 days should look like is learning the system. Learn it as quick as possible. I hear this countless amounts of times where people are saying, it's my 3rd month in, and now I know how to build a contact form automation, or I know how to build a live AI chatbot. It should not have taken that long. So I recommend hitting the ground running, learning the software to the best of your ability. And once you get to the point of where this feature means that this is going to help this business in this way, whether that's a tree service business, whether that's a landscaping business, whether that's a plumbing business, once you know all those different functionalities in these different niches and how these features essentially serve the business and better them, then you're essentially good to go ahead and start picking up the phone and making these dials. Now, I do recommend having a great offer along with knowing how all those different features help. My biggest thing is $97 a month, no setup fee, no contracts. That's how I was able to build my clientele base so high so quickly, is by having that offer right there. So your first 90 days need to be very high speed, need to be full of dials, and need to be moving as quick as possible. So that is exactly how I would execute those 90 days. And my final message to you, if you're thinking about starting this in 2026, is that you don't need to be special to build this. You just need to be consistent enough to go ahead and build momentum. That's my biggest thing, building that snowball effect. And I'm just an average person that decided to go ahead and take marketing skills and go ahead and get paid for it from these businesses. And you can too. Like I said, I started this 2 years ago, fresh out of college, 1 semester of college, and I'm able to be at the point where I'm at today. So I hope this is inspiration. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll gladly go ahead and answer them. Go ahead and join my free school community. Down below, we have weekly agency Zoom calls that you can go ahead and join, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.